Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, in previous class we completed our third lesson story and question and answers also. All of you have written and sent to me questions, children. Okay, it's very good. Now we are discussing about a grammar topic, children. Right? What is it? We are discussing about quantifiers. Okay, what are quantifiers, children? Few, little, some, more. These words can be called as quantifiers. Right. Now see in studio page number 37, children. Read the given conversations. See, you have to read here conversations, children. Read along with me, everyone. I have a few chocolates. You can have them. And next, I have few chocolates to give away. Okay, and next, I have a little sugar. Let me add to coffee. I have little sugar. It is not enough for 3 cups of coffee. Okay, see here, few are few, little and a little. That means here two words we can see, children. Difference, see the difference. Few are few. And here, little. A little. Okay, now see what's the difference we can see here. Quantifier few used with countable nouns. Okay, when to use it? See, to say that there is not enough of something. Okay, that means that is not enough for something. At that time we will tell few. Okay, few days are left for the exam to begin. That means not enough time. That means not much time we are having. That is not enough for our exams. In that case, we will use only few, children. And a few means countable nouns only to say that there is not a lot of something, but there is enough. That means that much is not a lot of, but it is enough for our need. Okay, in that cases we will say a few. See in first example, children, he is telling with smile on his face, I have few chocolates, you can have them. That means I have enough chocolates, not more but few only, but that one is enough for me, you can take it. But here I have few chocolates to give away. Okay, here she is telling I have only few, I cannot give, like that telling. And next picture, see children, little. Okay, a little, I have a little sugar, let me add it to coffee. That means little sugar only, but it is sufficient to make a coffee. But here I have a little sugar, I have little sugar, it is not enough for 3 cups of coffee. That means that one is very little, I cannot add this, and this is not enough for 3 cups of coffee. Okay children, is it clear? In cases we will use, in some cases we will use few. That means we have something but that is not enough for us. Okay, a few means we are having little only but it is enough for us. In that cases we will use, children. See in this page also they have given examples. Few days are left for begin the exam to begin. A few people gathered outside the gate. A few people. Okay. Next, there is little milk in the jug. There is a little sugar left in the jar. Okay. Children, here in two cases we are using few and a few, little and a few. Okay. Turn your pages, children, everyone. Now you have to practice the quantifiers, children, in 3B. Okay, see here they have given one column, right? Now everyone open your companion, children. Companion 19th page 3B. Okay, hope you all are understood with this. Okay. Okay, few means what, children? మన దగ్గర కొంచెమే ఉంది కానీ అది మనకి సరిపోదు. In that cases we will tell few. A few means మన దగ్గర కొంచెమే ఉంది కానీ it is enough for us, అది మనకి సరిపోతుంది. Okay, few, a few, little, a little. Okay, children, is it clear? Now everyone open your companion. Page number 93, be exercise children. See, fill in the blanks with the quantifiers a few, a little and little. That means you have to fill these blanks with using quantifiers with these words. Okay, what are these children? Don't forget the heading. Quantifiers. Okay, quantifiers. Okay, children. Now see, there is only dash milk in the jar. I will need more to make curd. That means you have to write here that is not sufficient. That means that is not enough. Saripodu. And రాయడానికి ఏం చెప్తాం? Okay. And one more thing, remember children. For this, little we will use for uncountable nouns children. Okay, where we will use uncountable, and few we will use for countable. Okay, let me give one example here. Here in example we have used that few chocolates. That means chocolates we can count with our fingers and we can count with numbers. And in second example, the little example they have given for sugar. Right, sugar is countable or uncountable? Can we count children sugar? No, we cannot count. That's why it comes under uncountable. Now, this curd, milk, oil, water, okay, all these will comes under the uncountable. That means that cannot be measured or cannot be counted. Okay, that can be called as uncountable nouns children. Where we will use, not tell me, for uncountable nouns we will use what? Little. Okay, for uncountable we will use little, and for countable we will use few. Okay, for countable we will use few children. Is it clear? Now see, there is only dash milk in the jar. Milk is countable or uncountable? Tell me. Countable. That means we can use uncountable. Milk is uncountable, and we can write, see, I am writing here children. Write down. That means we can use little. Okay, let me write first little. And little, and see, I will need more to make curd. That means that one is not sufficient. If it is not sufficient, we can simply leave it little. If it is enough for us, we can write a little. That means the milk is not sufficient. That's why we are leaving like this. Now write, there is only little milk in the jar. I will need more to make curd. Okay children, let's go with the next one. The library has dash books on mathematics. You may refer to those books to complete your homework. Now children, see here books. First see the noun in the sentence is countable or uncountable, and you can take accordingly the quantifier also. See, books are countable or uncountable children, tell me. Book is countable or uncountable? Countable, right? That means here we will get few. Okay, few we will get, and here it's telling that you may refer to those books to complete your homework. That means here they are not telling it is not sufficient or they need more. Not like that they are telling, but what they are telling children, you can refer those books to complete your homework. That means that books are enough for you to complete your homework. That means here we have to use a few. Okay, if it is enough for us, okay, we will use a few. If it is not sufficient, we will use few children. Okay, next one. See, I like my coffee with dash sugar. Okay, sugar is countable or uncountable children? Uncountable. Uncountable means we have to use little. Okay, little we will use, and here the sugar is sufficient. Okay, that's why she is telling enough. I like my sugar. That means a little sugar. Next one, see children, everyone. I have dash time before I go to my bedroom to study for my exam. That means here he is telling that I have time. Okay, time is countable or uncountable? Children, tell me. Uncountable. Okay, uncountable means we have to use little. We have to use little, and here is telling I go to my bedroom to study for my exam. That means I have little time I have to go to the exam, like that he is telling. But here he is not telling I have time, I have read everything, like that he is not telling. That means the time is not enough for him. Okay, that means leave like that the fourth blank. I have little time before I go back to my room to study for my exam. Next one, see. Rima is sad that she has dash friends whom she can play with. Okay, that means here friends are countable or uncountable, children? Countable. That means we can use here few. And Rima is happy or sad, children? Sad. Why? Because the friends are not enough for the Rima to play with them. Right. If Rima feels that these friends are enough for me, then she will be not sad, she will be happy, right? But here the Rima is sad. Why? Because she is not having enough friends with her. Okay children, that means we can leave like that, few friends. And next, they had some tea and dash bread for breakfast. That means they had some tea and bread. Bread is countable or uncountable, children? Uncountable. Okay, bread is uncountable. That means you have to write little. Okay, little you have to write, and here they are telling that they already had it. That one is enough for them. Okay, they had tea and a little bread. Okay, here we have to write a little. Okay children, a little bread for breakfast. And next one, see. Sandhya spent dash days in Kolkata during her vacation. Okay, Sandhya, what she did? She spent days in Kolkata. Days means countable or uncountable, children, tell me. Countable only. Countable means we will get few. Okay, few we will get. Few we will get, and here the Sandhya is satisfied with her vacation, they are telling. Right, that means it is enough. Okay, it is enough for Sandhya to spend the vacation in Kolkata. Okay, a few days in Kolkata during her vacation, children. Next one, see. The lake is almost empty. There is dash water left. Okay, that means the lake is almost empty. That means the lake is not filled with water, and there is water first. There is dash water left. Water means what I told, children? Countable or uncountable, children? Uncountable. Okay, here I am writing uncountable. Uncountable means little. Little, and the water is not sufficient to the lake to become fully. That means you can leave like this, little water left. Next one, see children. I ate all my biscuits. There are only dash remaining in my box. Okay, here these biscuits are countable or uncountable? Countable only, children. That means here we have to write few, and he is telling that only few are there in my box. That means he is not having much or enough. He ate all the biscuits. Okay, that means you can leave it like that, few only. And next, pour dash oil in the pan. Okay, pour dash oil in the pan. Oil means what I told, children? Countable or uncountable? Uncountable. Oil, that means you have to take little, and here they are telling pour a little oil. That means it is enough to pour oil in the pan. Okay children, like this you have to a little, little, few, a little, a few, little, few, a little, children. Okay, everyone note it down, children, like that. Okay, children, now everyone open your studio to page number 38, children. Everyone open it. Okay, page number 38. What is there? See, read the given sentences, tick the possible situation that might follow. That means you have to tick your possible situations that might follow. That means what situations we have to follow. First, read the sentences, children. Swati has a little cheese left. Okay, she can feed the mice. She cannot feed the mice. See here, a little they have given. Here they have highlighted these things. These a little also. That means a little means it is enough for Swati. That means she can feed the mice. That means tick in the first box, children. Okay, next one. Archana has little money left to buy chocolates. Archana can buy chocolates. Archana cannot buy chocolates. See, here they have given little. Okay, little means what, children? She cannot buy chocolates because the money is not enough for her. That's why here you have to tick in second box. Okay, next one, see, children. Few students showed interest in joining the race. The race has to be stopped. The race was conducted. Few, not a few, few. That means the students' count is not enough to conduct a race. That means we cannot conduct a race. That's why the race had to be stopped. Tick in the first box, children. Next one. I have a few questions. I have some questions to ask. I don't have any questions. Okay, a few. That means I am having enough questions to ask, children. That means I have some questions to ask. Tick in the first box. And next one. She saves a little money every month. A little. Remember, a little. She does not save any money every month. She saves some money every month. Okay, a little means see, she is saving something and it is enough for her. Okay, that means you have to tick in the second box. Okay, children, is it clear? Don't get confusion between little and a little and few are few. Okay, children, if you are writing few, that means that is not enough to complete any action. If you are writing a few, it is enough. And if you are writing little, that is not enough to do something or to complete an action. But if you are writing a little, we are having something only, not more, something, but it is enough to complete that. Okay, children, like that you have to tick here your situations. That means what the correct one. Okay, children, and now I am giving you homework, children. Everyone open your companion. Please open it. 3C. Home task 3C, children. That means companion 3C. Page number. Page number 20, children. Okay, see here also nothing is there, children. Match the parts of sentence in column A with those in column B. That means here they have given some match the following, and with that one you have to match both A and B, and afterwards you have to complete the sentences. That means whatever you have matched in the matching. Okay, two sentences you will match, no? Those sentences you have to write down in the children. Okay, see like this. Okay, there are few students in the class today, so the teacher did not take them out for the trip. I have a few drawing sheets which will be enough for the art class. All of us are thirsty, but we have little water left. We have little knowledge about what happened to the old man. You have to work a little harder. Okay, like that. You will match these, and afterwards what you have to do, children, rewrite the complete sentences in the given space below. That means you have to join these two, both you have to write. See, there were few students in the class today, so the teacher did not take them out for the trip. Like that you have to write these 5 sentences in the space given below, children. Is it clear? Like that you have to